Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious hot ham and cheese sub sandwich. So let's get started. Yeah, to make our delicious hot ham and cheese sub sandwich, we have 6 slices of ham here. Yeah, and we're going to put it on our nice sub roll here that we're going to make into like garlic bread. Because back here we have 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to take our green onion and slice it up and put it in there with some garlic powder. Yeah, that sounds good. And over here we have 4 slices of cheese. And over here we have a nice tomato. It's a plum tomato. And back here we have a nice yellow onion. But we're probably only going to use about 2 or 3 slices of that maybe. Okay? And up here we have a piece of lettuce. So we're going to put all this on that sub roll. Yeah. That's going to taste good though. Alright, let's get started. Okay, let's get some of this out of our way and put it aside for later. Okay, let's go ahead and chop up our green onion. Now we're going to only use the green part here, so we're going to cut most of this off right here. About right there. And we'll save that for something else. Yep, and we're going to cut that in half again, and we're going to put that right up there, and we're going to chop them up. Okay, now we're going to take our butter and we're going to put our green onions right in there. Okay, let's take our cutting board away. We don't need that anymore. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take our cast iron griddle and we're going to build our sandwich right on this. Okay, let's take our nice sub roll and we'll open her up. Just like that. Okay. And we'll take our garlic butter and we'll spread that on there. Think that's enough? Yeah. Okay. Wow, that looks good already. Now we're going to go ahead and take our ham. Looks like a lot of ham, doesn't it? Okay, we'll put some of that on there. Now we'll put 2 pieces of cheese, American cheese. Now we'll put some more ham on there. Yeah, gotta have plenty of ham. Okay, yeah, it's getting bigger already. Okay, now we're going to put 2 more pieces of cheese on there because we just love our cheese and ham. Look at that. Okay. Yep. Now we are going to put our onions on top of there. There you go. 2 slices ought to do it. And we're not going to put our tomatoes on top just yet. We'll put them on later. Now we're just going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, a little extra garlic powder, yeah, and a little extra onion powder. Yep. Boy, this is going to be tasty. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to put that in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 5 to 10 minutes until our cheese is all melted and our ham's nice and hot and our roll is all toasted and all our garlic butter is all nice and melted. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's put this in the oven. Okay guys, here it is, right out of the oven. Really nice and hot too. Okay. Boy, does that look good. I don't know if we're going to be able to fold this up or not, but we'll give it a shot. Yep. Okay, now we're going to take our tomatoes and we're going to put those on top. Just like that. Wow, this is going to be good. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take our big lettuce leaf here and we're going to put it on top of our garlic bread side there and see if we can fold it up, right? But now I'm going to put a little bit of horseradish sauce on there, just a little bit. Look at that. And because I like oregano, I'm going to put some of that on top. Okay. All right, let's see if we can fold this up. Oh, wow. It's going to be a big one. Okay, it's a big one. Look at that. Okay. Well, there you have it, guys. A hot ham and cheese sub sandwich with onions, lettuce, and tomatoes on garlic bread. Yeah. And we just put some horseradish sauce on top. Bet you this is going to taste good. Yeah, let's get into a piece. Let's cut this in half. Okay, let's go ahead and cut into this, see how it is. Boy, that is big. All right, let's just check it out and see how it is. Oh yeah, you see that? Look at that in there. All right, let's just go ahead and have a bite. That's just beautiful. All right, let's have a bite. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Boy, is that tasty. That horseradish and everything in there is really awesome. Yep. Look at that. Can you see it? Man, is that good. Everything's nice and melted. The cheese is nice and melted in there. You can see it. Melted. Also, that horseradish that we put on last, that really kicked it up a notch. And that little bit of oregano, yeah, that made it taste really good. This ham and cheese sub sandwich with lettuce, tomato, and onions is just awesome. It's loaded with cheese, loaded with ham, and loaded with flavor. Yeah, that sounds good. And you know what would go good with that right there? A nice wobble pop. Yep, that sounds good. Okay guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Hot ham and cheese sub sandwich with lettuce, onions, and tomatoes on garlic bread. You can't beat that.